What I wish I knew about Malaysia at first glance? Beat. Stay tuned. Two halves. Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia on Borneo. Wild and wonderful. Kuala Lumpur's skyline? Think Petronas Twin Towers. Languages and festivals mix. Malay, Chinese, Indian, indigenous roots. Food steals the show. Nasi lemak, roti canai. Street stalls galore. Beaches, rainforests, orangutans, nature's highlights. Economy, manufacturing, palm oil, petroleum, and tourism. Tradition meets modern. Malaysia's vibrant and ready for you.